Good morning, children. So now let's talk about the assignment. This is a text which gives you an information on how does a battery make a bulb light up, right? So what you'll do is you'll read this completely and then you will underline all the keywords, difficult words which you want the readers to understand while reading the text. That means we are going to make a glossary based on this text, based on the information here. Okay, we did this together for the first paragraph, right? Electricity, circuit, device. These were three words which I found which I realized are keywords, and then we wrote the meanings of these words under the heading called glossary. You have to do the same with these three paragraphs. If you have space in that page, you can write glossary there and list those words and write the meanings there. If you don't have space there, then turn the page and write glossary on top and then write the list of the words and the meanings in front of them. Okay, now this is all about the assignment. Now a very important thing which I would like to address is the date and the main heading. Okay, see children, our curriculum is getting interlinked now. Okay, so most of the times we are talking of science and literacy, and of literacy in ICT, and of geography, maybe in science we'll be speaking about in future. So it will be very difficult for you to understand in future that why is battery makeup bulb light here in my literacy notebook? What is it doing here? This is completely a science lesson. Why have I written it here? And that will confuse you. That will confuse your parents. That's going to confuse everybody who looks at your literacy notebook or your science notebook or any other subject's notebook if there is no heading. Okay, so why is this here? Any idea? Why is this paragraph going to be written or copied down in your literacy notebook? Why? Because it's an informational text which is a non-fiction, and we are doing non-fiction. Okay, so whenever you do your work, okay, date is very important, which is missing in most of the cases, and a heading. Say for example, today we are talking of glossary. What is the main heading? Non-fiction, and we spoke about glossary. So non-fiction dash glossary will be your main heading on top, and then you will write about the informational text with its title, with its heading. But the main heading is this. We are talking about informational text of how does a battery lights a bulb. We are talking about it, but we are talking about it in a non-fiction text, in terms of non-fiction, not in terms of science. Okay, so the main heading will be non-fiction dash glossary. And why did we discuss that paragraph? Because we want to understand how a glossary is made. What is a glossary? Alright children, so this is how you're going to do your work. Put today's date, the date when you're working. So I had put today's date. You'll put 27, 28, 29, 30, whatever you want. Main heading will be non-fiction, glossary, and then comes the paragraphs heading, the text heading. Okay, and then you'll copy down the text, and if there's space, write glossary and list those words there. If there isn't any space, go to the next page, write glossary and list those keywords and write their meanings there. Is that clear now? You will have to complete this work by Friday, by this Friday. I think it's not that difficult task, so you can complete it easily by this Friday. Okay, and once you complete your work, I would like to see your work, so please share the picture of your task, of the paragraph and the glossary in the group. Alright, I would like to see how you are doing your work. Okay, alright children, so that's all for today then. Thank you, bye bye.